In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your restaurant on Uber Eats. We're going to walk through the basic application flow from start to finish so you can understand exactly what to prepare and what to expect while setting up your restaurant for online ordering and delivery. This process is straightforward, but it helps to move carefully and make sure every detail you enter is accurate. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go directly to the Uber Eats business registration page at uber.com/eat/restaurant. Using the direct registration page helps you get to the correct onboarding area right away without needing to search through the main website. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the information on screen so you know you're in the merchant sign-up section. Next, click on Partner with Us. This will open the merchant onboarding forms and data sheets used to collect your restaurant information. These forms are important because they tell the platform how your store should appear to customers and how your business will be reviewed during setup. As the next section loads, make sure you're ready to enter complete and up-to-date business details. Now fill out your store information carefully. Enter your business name exactly as you want it displayed on the platform. Then provide your physical storefront location details, including the correct coordinates or address information requested in the form. This step matters because accurate location data helps ensure your restaurant is mapped correctly for delivery operations and customer visibility. You'll also need to add your menu item listings. When entering menu items, be as clear and organized as possible so your offerings are easy for customers to understand once your store goes live. After that, upload clear digital scans of your local food preparation license and your restaurant operating license. Make sure the files are easy to read, not blurry, and fully visible within the upload window. If any part of a document is cut off or difficult to read, it could slow down the review process. It's a good idea to double-check each uploaded file before moving on, just to confirm that everything looks professional and complete. Once all of your information and